Hi, I am Mita Nair, and today is Monday, and the date is 15 November. And I will tell about summer vacation. During this summer vacation, what I like to do. Actually, what I did means what I do during this summer vacation, where I go with my family members. I will tell these types of things. So I am starting now. This summer vacation, I like to get this summer vacation, and we all means everybody wait for this summer vacation. It's a long time when we get vacation for long time. In this time we means everybody, my every friend, every student of Bengali medium, English medium, is most of the student wait for this summer vacation because it's long vacation. Um, and I got when I used to, now I am a student of a college, so that's why when I used to go to the school, then I got summer vacation, and I got summer vacation for 1 month. And 1 month I got summer vacation, so it was long time. And this time sometime I go went to relatives home with my parents. Sometime I went lots of places during the summer vacation. And not just students, some parents also wait for the summer vacation, because some student means my some friend, sometime my some friend went to the outside like Digha, Puri, means these types of place. This puja vacation and summer vacation, these two vacation is big vacation in my school life. So that's why I enjoy. So everybody waited for this vacation. And when we got this vacation, then we feel really very relaxed. And when I was child, then I like to play. Especially I wait for this summer vacation for going to my maternal uncle's house. And second, I wait for the summer vacation for playing with my friends. I used to go to the school, means I had to go to the school every day. Means I had to stay present, 80% present, and so I had to get. mm, Otherwise there had some problems. So every day, without Saturday, sorry, without Sunday, every day I went to the school. So that's why I did not get time for playing properly. And I did not get time for going anywhere, especially my maternal uncle's house, everywhere, any relative's house. So that's why this summer vacation was very most was well time in my life. Means I really stayed very excited. And I also decided lot with my mother, where I want to go. And this time my mother did not want to lost this opportunity for going anywhere. So when I got summer vacation, then I did one things. I played lot with my friends. I also have had some means everybody during this time, this summer vacation, everybody, English medium student, Bengali medium student, everybody get this summer vacation for 1 month. Yes, for 1 month everybody got. And so that's why I could get some friends available, means everybody was available during this time. Everybody could play, everybody could give company during this time. And even when I used to go to the school, then I did not get time for study. Sometimes some teachers also give pressure to us, means especially private tutor. They had lots of things I could enjoy. During the summer vacation, my private tutor also gave lots of pressure for preparing study. Because this long time. And after this summer vacation, I had to give second summative exam. Yes, it always happened with me, with everyone, not just me. In summer, after summer vacation, we faced exam. So that's why we also had some pressure of study also during the summer vacation. And but this vacation was really very good for us. Means I like most this vacation. Relax, I feel relax. And anyway, I got off, and my private tutor also got pressure to us for preparing study as well, going outside playing with friends. Um, and uh, and and I also prepared study as well, play everything. Um, and during this time everybody stayed free, everybody stayed at home. So these summers day I played every day with my friends. So we decided, means every year we waited for this day. We at first decided that what we will play, and and where we will go for playing. We went lots of places for playing, means we went another locality for playing. There is lots of place in our locality, but still we went another place for hiding. Actually we played hide and seek. So for playing, for hiding, we had to find one more place for hiding. So that's why lots of place we needed. I played for hide and seek most with my friends, and there is lots of places in my locality for playing hide and seek. So that's why we sometimes we also went another locality for playing, means playing when we played, then we went another locality. And we scolded by lots of people, means some uncle, some aunt also scolded us for disturbing. Sometimes we also did lots of mischief, and we had lots of fun during this time, and this time was really very good time. And everybody enjoyed lot. This 1 month I enjoyed lot with my friends. And I got but this time was too short, means I needed lots of time, more time, means this time looked very short to us. This 1 month means we spent it this 1 month very quickly, means we could not get satisfied. We wanted more summer vacation. Sometime our government increased vacation. Sometime it also happened with us. When our government increased vacation, then we felt very happy. Then we got some more time for playing, for going somewhere, because this 1 month we had lots of plan for going these places, for playing, means lots of plan. So that's why we could not cover everything in this 1 month. So that's why we needed long time. But sometimes our government increase 10 days, 15 days for summer vacation. So this time I enjoyed a lot. I went to my maternal uncle's house also, for one for some days, 4 days, 3 days. I went to my maternal uncle's house, and I wanted to go. My mother, and my maternal uncle, and everybody told us for going this place. So that's why I went. When I went to my maternal uncle's house, then I enjoyed a lot, because when otherwise, without this vacation, without any vacation, I could not go to my maternal uncle's house, because it's little far from my home. And it took 1 hour 45 minutes to go to my maternal uncle's house, so it was not possible to go there every day, means every time. So especially during this vacation, there is a fair. I go to my maternal uncle's house during fair. And this one time, means this summer vacation I go. This two time I go to my maternal uncle's house. So that's why I could enjoy with everyone. Means after 1 year, means one day in a means 1 year, after 1 year when I went to my maternal uncle's house, I could enjoy a lot with them. I have lots of cousins there, and I gossip with them. When I was child, means when I was so little, when I read it in class 4 or class 5, then I played with my cousin, and there had some friend of my cousins, my cousin's friend. I also played with my cousin's friend also. I made friendship with them, well friendship, and I also have well friendship with them, some friends. And I played lots of games, and my maternal uncle's house is in rural area, and this rural area is very well placed. Means I could see paddy field, means the natural beauty you can see if you go to my maternal uncle's house, means especially in rural area, then you can see natural beauty, and this natural beauty is really very well. And there is lots of field, there is lots of field. And there is pond. Moreover, there is lots of trees, there is garden of banana garden, paddy field, then just vegetable garden, food garden I could see. And so I could enjoy, means especially at evening, after before sunshine. I went to the field. I went to the field with, when I went to my maternal uncle's house. Then at evening I went to the field for with my cousins, and there I spent lots of time. And this place is really very big, and the field is very big, and there is lots of paddy field, there is lots of garden trees, and we get natural air. And so I like to go to the place, and I go to the place after 1 year, so I could enjoy more. So after that, after coming back at home, after coming back home, I really feel very sad, because I could not stay for a long time to my maternal uncle's house, because I told before that this 1 month is not so big time to us, because I had to take preparation for exam. I told that before, after this summer vacation, I have had to give second summative exam, so that's why I had lots of study. Means this time the summer vacation is the time when I could prepare my study properly. Otherwise, when I used to go to the school without any vacation, I could not study. I could not read properly. So that's why it was an opportunity to us, and our teachers, and we had to complete our syllabus, chapters, all chapters in this vacation. So that's why our teachers, so my private tutor also got angry if I took long time. So that's why I could not stay long time to my maternal uncle's house. But I stayed I stayed 4 days 5 days there. And anybody, means my maternal uncles, aunts, cousins, they did not want to bid a goodbye to me. And they also, because I got lots of fun with them, I spent lots of time with them, so that's why. So after that when I came back at home, then I took then I played with my friends, and my friends also missed me. And when I could not when I did not go to my maternal uncle's house, then I could spend well time with my friends. Again, if I went to my maternal uncle's house, then I did not need to play with my friends of locality. Means these two plays was so important to me. Also, when I came back at home, then I did not feel, means I felt upset, but still for my locality's friend, I did not feel so much upset. I stayed upset for 1 day, But still after that I played with my friends. I enjoyed a lot. and and this summer vacation is really very helpful for us also. We could prepare our study properly. And during this time I could um, I could I could do group study also, and I also like to do group study. And this group study is really very good. Sometimes some friends come in my home. Sometimes I go to my friend's home for doing group study. And this summer vacation, I am telling that this summer vacation, I told before that was not so long time for us. Mm, and I did not miss my friends. I did not miss my teachers this 1 month. And moreover I feel happy for not going to the school. And I got relaxed for this. And I always wanted the vacation for 2 months, 3 months. Long time, for long time I wanted vacation. But now, for this pandemic situation, when I could not go to the school, when I could not when I could not see my teachers, see my friends, then I could understand that um, it's good. Means we don't need to get so much vacation in school life, because school life is really very well life. This 1 month is okay. But 2 month, 3 month, 5 month, 1 year, moreover 1 year is not good. And I when I read it in class 12, means now I am reading college, first year. Recently I gave hs, means I did not, means I could not give hs higher secondary examination. Government cancelled. So I could not go to the school till from for 1 year I could not go to the school. And it's really very bad things for me. For just not for me, for everyone. I could not talk with my friends properly. Means this school life is well life. Then when I had to stay at home during this pandemic situation, then I could understand that what was school life. Means how I enjoyed lot with them. Why, and it also I thought that why I wanted vacation for a long time. And I also thought, means not me, sometime I also discussed with my friends that why we wanted the vacation for a long month, for long days. Mm, so it's a kind of curse to us. Means 12, when I read it in class 12, it was the last year of my school. This last year I could not spend properly with my teachers and friends. So it's a really very bad things, not good things for us. Means um, we suffered lots of problems, means lots of sufferings we faced. And we did not get farewell also. When I did it in class 10, then I got farewell. But when I did it in class 12, then I did not get any farewell. But we expected a lot that we will definitely get farewell from teachers, from everyone. But unfortunately we did not get. Mm, but when I got this puja vacation, summer vacation, then I feel very happy. This summer vacation I got for 1 month, and this puja vacation I also got for 1 month. But it did not sustain for long day. So I enjoyed a lot during the summer vacation with my friends, family members. Sometime I went to my relatives house. Means this summer vacation was a very well time. And I did study as well, everything.